If your monitor is displaying no signal or blank display but CPU is running, then how to solve this problem? First, remove the RAM from the CPU, then rub the RAM with the help of a piece of paper or by an eraser. As far as possible, rub the RAM with the help of an eraser. So hold the RAM and rub the RAM both sides with the help of a piece of paper. As far as possible, rub the both sides of RAM with the help of an eraser. Then put the RAM into the CPU, then power on the CPU. Still, if the display doesn't display, then buy another RAM and put the CPU, then put the RAM into the CPU. Still doesn't work, then either your motherboard or CPU doesn't work. In this way, we solve the problem for no display on monitor.